In this video, we're going to be talking about Skool and how you're going to be building a Skool community for yourself. It's pretty easy, so let's get straight into it. Now, to start things off, you're going to come to skool.com, and here you're going to come to discover communities or create your own. So you're going to click on create your own, and what that's going to do is it's going to take you to a sign-in section. Now, in the sign-in section, what we're going to want to do is we're going to add an email, first name, last name, and password. So I'm going to go ahead and add my first name, last name. We're going to set a password, and for the email, it could be anything. You could go with a Gmail, you could go with a Hotmail, Yahoo, whatever you use. I'm just going to use my temp mail that I have, and I'm going to click on sign up. Now, once you click on sign up, it's going to basically send a verification code to your email. Mine is 7620. So I'm going to simply click on next. Now, once you do that, here it's going to say create your community, totally free for 14 days, then $99 per month, and you can cancel anytime. So what you're going to do is you're going to give it a name. So I'm going to call this test, and then you're going to enter in your card number. And once you've entered this in and went ahead with the payment, that will create your community for Skool.